Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, in the previous lecture we studied oxidation and reduction. But today we will discuss a very important concept that help us understand redox reaction more clearly, which is oxidation states and rules for assigning oxidation state. So let's start step by step. Now, what is oxidation states? For a student, oxidation state may also called oxidation number as the apparent charge an atom has in a compound or ion, assuming that all bonds are completely ionic. For a student, it tells us how many electrons an atom has gained, lost, or shared during bond formation. For example, an NaCl sodium has oxidation state +1 and chlorine has oxidation state -1. Now, why is it important? By assigning oxidation state, we can first one identify which element is oxidized and which is reduced in a reaction. And the second one is Bala's redox reaction easily. And the third one is understand electron transfer in compounds. Now, rules for assigning oxidation states. Now, let's go through the rules one by one. The first rule is the oxidation state of any free element not combined as zero. Sample. Example, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine all have oxidation state 0. And rule 2, the oxidation state of a simple ion is equal to its charge. Example, sodium positive is equal to +1. Magnesium 2 plus is equal to +2. Cl negative is equal to -1 and O2 negative is equal to -2. And rule 3 is the sum of oxidation states of all atoms in a neutral compound is always 0. Example, NH2O 2 and +1, 2 hydrogen +1 oxidation state and plus oxidation state of oxygen -2, it is equal to, and the sum is equal to 0 because 2 multiplied by +1 is equal to 2 plus -2 is equal to 0. Now the fourth rule is the sum of oxidation states in a polyatomic ion is equal to the charge of that ion. Example, an SO4 2 minus sulfur plus 4 oxygen and oxidation state is -2. That is equal to -2. So sulfur is equal to +6. And rule 5, the oxidation states of hydrogen is usually +1, but on metal hydrides like NH and CH2, hydrogen have -1 oxidation state. And rule 6 is the oxidation state of hydrogen is, the oxidation state of oxygen is usually -2, but in peroxides like H2O2, Na2O2, oxidation state of oxygen is equal to -1. And OF2 oxygen dihydride, oxygen have +2 oxidation state. And rule 7, the oxidation state of alkali metals in group 1 is always +1. Example, NaCl, caviar. And rule 8, the oxidation state of alkaline earth metals in group 2 is always +2. Example, calcium chloride and magnesium oxide. And rule 9 is the oxidation state of halogen mean fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is usually -1. But when combined with oxygen, they may show positive oxidation state. Example, an Cl4 negative chlorine have +1 oxidation state. Now examples. Example 1, find the oxidation state of manganese and K-4. So K is equal to +1 and O is equal to -2 multiplied by 4, which is equal to -8. So manganese +1 plus manganese -8 is equal to 0. So manganese is equal to +7. Example 2, find the oxidation state of chromium and Cr2 or Cn2-. So O is equal to -2 plus multiplied by 7 is equal to -14, and 2Cr is plus -14 is equal to -2. So 2Cr is equal to +12. Now, and the single chromium has a +6 oxidation state. So this is all about today's lecture on oxidation states and rules for assigning oxidation state. I hope you understand. So if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.